All right, welcome to this explainer. Today we're diving into how artificial intelligence is triggering what is, frankly, the absolute biggest transformation in manufacturing since the Industrial Revolution. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how things are actually made. And interestingly enough, AI isn't stepping in as a human replacement here. It's really more like the ultimate engineering upgrade. We're moving away from factories that just blindly follow instructions toward intelligent ecosystems that think, adapt, and learn. So let's dive right in. Here's our agenda for today. We'll start with the modern industrial challenge, look at how AI changes everything, break down the AI problem-solving methodology, check out some real-world smart factory solutions, and then wrap up with the future of industry.
Let's kick things off with Section 1, the modern industrial challenge.
If you picture the factory floor, the core goal is pretty simple, right? Transform raw materials into valuable products. But that goal is constantly under threat. Whether it's unexpected equipment downtime, where, let's be real, even a few minutes can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, or physical surface defects, or sudden supply chain bottlenecks, traditional industries are just constantly battling these disruptions. It's essentially an endless game of whack-a-mole for plant managers.
Historically, engineers have relied on a standard 6-step method to observe problems, analyze them, and fix the root causes. Actually, scratch that, they still do rely on it. But today's modern factories generate these massive, continuous streams of real-time sensor data. We're talking millions of data points every single second. It completely overwhelms standard human analytical capacity. Finding the root cause in all that noise, it's literally like finding a needle in a digital haystack.
And right there is where traditional fixed instruction engineering hits a brick wall. In these incredibly dynamic, high-speed environments, rigid rules just break the second a variable shifts. What we desperately need is a system that dynamically adapts as conditions on the floor change. A system that actually learns on the fly.
Which brings us perfectly to Section 2, how AI changes everything.
So what's the fix? How do we bridge this massive gap between total data overload and actual effective decision-making? Well, the answer is machine intelligence. We're talking about systems capable of perceiving their environment, learning from historical data, reasoning through complex variables, and making solid decisions. They don't just flash a red light to say a machine just broke. They predict, hey, this machine is going to fail next Tuesday at 2 p.m. unless you fix it now.
And you have to remember, AI isn't just some isolated software program sitting on a desktop somewhere. It's a whole ecosystem. By merging AI and machine learning with the industrial Internet of Things, edge and cloud computing, robotics, and these highly accurate digital twins, factories completely evolve. They transform from rigid physical structures into highly predictive, intelligent ecosystems.
All right, let's move into Section 3, the AI problem-solving methodology.
To actually translate all that raw sensor data into actionable solutions, the process basically boils down to 5 key steps. Step 1, define your objective and collect the data from your sensors and systems. Step 2, prepare that data and engineer features, basically cleaning out the noise to find meaningful variables. Step 3, you select and train the right AI model on historical examples. Step 4 is validating its performance to ensure accuracy on unseen data. And finally, Step 5, deploy it, integrate it, and continuously monitor and retrain it as conditions evolve. Now here is a fascinating reality about all of this. The better the data, the better the AI solution. It relies 100% on quality inputs. In fact, cleaning out missing values and organizing messy, noisy industrial data, that can easily eat up 80% of an entire AI project's timeline. It's not glamorous work, for sure, but it is the absolute vital foundation of machine learning. Once that data is clean, it's time to pick the right tool for the job. Depending on what you're trying to achieve, engineers deploy highly specialized techniques. Trying to predict when a gear will break, you'd use time series forecasting. Need to spot microscopic surface cracks? That's computer vision. Want to optimize a really complex process? You're looking at reinforcement learning. It's all about perfectly matching the AI technique to the specific objective. Now, let's be totally real for a second. AI is not a magic wand. Deploying it successfully means jumping over some massive hurdles. You're constantly fighting poor data quality, navigating intense cybersecurity concerns, and dealing with sky-high implementation costs. Plus, you have the inevitable headache of trying to integrate cutting-edge algorithms with legacy equipment. It's tough. And of course, there's the ongoing challenge of upskilling the workforce so they can actually interpret what the AI is telling them.
Let's check out Section 4, Real-World Smart Factory Solutions.
When an industry does overcome those hurdles, wow, the results are a total game changer. Take maintenance. Instead of the traditional method where you just react after a failure happens, AI studies historical vibration and temperature patterns to predict exactly when maintenance is needed. This slashes unexpected downtime, lowers repair costs, and keeps equipment running way longer.
Quality and safety get a massive upgrade too. On the assembly line, automated computer vision systems can spot microscopic scratches or missing components way faster and way more consistently than a human ever could. But it's not just about the products. These systems are monitoring the floor for missing safety helmets, spotting restricted area violations, and even detecting micro-expressions of human fatigue to prevent accidents before they happen. Pretty amazing, right?
And AI's reach extends way beyond just the physical machines. It's optimizing the whole shebang. It continuously analyzes production sequencing to speed things up, and it forecasts future market demand to prevent overstocking or sudden inventory shortages. It makes the entire supply chain dramatically more resilient against unpredictable global events.
Then think about the massive overhead of energy consumption. Intelligent algorithms can pinpoint hidden energy waste that we humans naturally miss. Things like compressed air leaks, subtle heat loss, or machines drawing heavy power while they're just sitting idle. By dynamically optimizing these schedules, AI slashes both operational costs and carbon emissions at the exact same time. It's a total win-win.
Finally, let's look at Section 5, the future of industry.
Looking ahead to 2026 and beyond, we are rapidly moving toward fully autonomous, self-optimizing factories. The emerging trends are wild. We're seeing highly accurate AI-powered digital twins, where you can simulate an entire facility's operations before pouring a single ounce of concrete. You've got generative AI assistants helping engineers process complex tasks, edge AI making lightning-fast decisions in real time, and explainable AI ensuring transparency in critical decisions. But here is the absolute most critical takeaway from all of this. This technological shift, it is not about replacing human workers. Not at all. It is entirely focused on creating collaborative, intelligent partnerships between humans and machines.
The ability to combine engineering knowledge with artificial intelligence is going to be an absolutely essential skill moving forward. AI is brilliant at recognizing patterns in massive, overwhelming datasets. But your human expertise, your judgment, your context, that remains the driving force behind defining the problems and implementing the solutions safely. You are the pilot. AI is just your incredibly advanced navigation system. The transition to this smart factory ecosystem is already well underway. The data is flowing, models are continuously learning, and the entire industry is shifting. Which leaves us with one incredibly exciting question to think about. As this technology reshapes the world around us, how will you combine your unique human expertise with artificial intelligence to shape the future?